Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see Instagram stories without them knowing in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first open your Instagram app, then click and hold down the story that you want to see. Then click on view profile. Then click on three dots. Then click on copy profile URL. After that, open your browser and go to fastdl.app. I leave you the website link in the description or in the first comment, okay? Then paste the profile URL here. Wait a few seconds. Then scroll down. And here you can see Instagram stories without them knowing. And you can also download it by clicking download button over here, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.